Hi guys, it's Microchip here, and today I'm going to be flying this airplane again, the Air Hogs. Drone slash plane. That's how it's a drone, and this is how it's a plane. The propeller doesn't really do anything, but I'm going to see if I actually crash this. Now if I do, I'm going to name this video an airplane fail. If I do not crash it, I'm just going to put airplane slash drone Air Hogs part 2. So yeah guys, let's get flying. 3, 2, 1. And I'm not going to act in this at all. Oh my gosh. Geez, I'm not acting actually. I'm telling the truth, guys. Oh, let's launch it off of here so you can see better. Booter. Okay. Let's start flying. Hey, boy. Something. Did you catch that? Jeez. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's. Some other problem with this. I don't know. Let's go. Go. Oh! Okay. It's doing well. Doing well. Doing well. I'm gonna try and do a really good trick. Oh. Okay, guys. I guess it's gonna be airplane fail. So yeah, airplane fail, guys. And yeah, guys. Bye.